In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Photoshop CC export not working step by step using simple methods that still work in 2026. If your export as option is failing, freezing, or just not saving your files properly, don't worry. There are several quick fixes that can solve this fast. Make sure you watch all the way to the end, because the final fix is the one that works for most users. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials and fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First up is the fastest workaround you can use right away, and that's using Save a Copy instead of Export. Go to File, then click on Save a Copy. From here, choose your format like JPEG or PNG, select your location, and save your file. In many cases, this completely bypasses the export as issue. So if you're in a rush and just need your file exported, this is the quickest solution that works almost instantly. Next, let's reset your export preferences. Sometimes Photoshop settings get corrupted over time, and that can break features like exporting. To fix this, go to Edit, then Preferences, then General. Look for the option that says Reset Preferences on Quit and enable it. Now close Photoshop completely and reopen it. This resets everything back to default and often restores the export function back to normal. Now here's one of the most reliable fixes, enabling legacy export. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Export. Turn on the option that says Use Legacy Save for Web. Once you enable this, go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web. This is the older export tool, but it's much more stable and works even when the newer Export as feature fails or crashes. If you're still having issues, check your file name and save location. Avoid using special characters like symbols, emojis, or unusual punctuation in your file name. Also, try saving your file to a simple location, like your desktop, instead of a deeply nested folder. These small details can sometimes block exports without showing a clear error message. Another thing to check is your image size. Go to Image, then Image Size, and take a look at your dimensions. If your file is extremely large, try reducing the size slightly and then export again. Very large files can cause export failures, especially if your system doesn't have enough memory available. Finally, here's the fix that solves this problem for a lot of people: your GPU settings. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. Find the option that says Use Graphics Processor and turn it off. After that, restart Photoshop. GPU acceleration can sometimes conflict with export features, and disabling it often fixes the issue immediately. So to quickly recap, if Photoshop export isn't working, use Save a Copy or Save for Web for a quick workaround. Reset your preferences, check your file name and save location, reduce your image size if needed, and disable GPU acceleration. One of these solutions will almost always fix the issue. And that's it. You've now fixed the Photoshop CC export not working problem. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.